Up for sale, 1969 Chevelle. I'm going to walk around it, tell you about the car, fire it up, and then drive it. If you do enjoy the video, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see more videos like this. Thank you. Like I said, a 69 Chevelle finished in brown with black interior. Numbers matching 307. Factory air conditioning. Power steering. Power front disc brakes. And as always, go around it, tell you everything I know about it. Point out anything that I do see. Fire it up and then drive it. So of course we'll start here on the front bumper, which is a really nice condition as you see it when you get up on it. Super nice. No damage on it, no pitting on it. Very nice condition. Go over here too, a little better look on that. I would say the same thing for the grille and the bezels for the headlights. Nice condition, look great on the car. It was color changed to brown, which was done in, I'm competing with a semi. Color changed to brown, I was told around 1998. So there are some, blemishes on the car, but it's a super solid car. Original fenders, original quarters. Nice to see, of course, on these cars. Was originally from Missouri. They don't use salt on the road there, which is a great thing. But the paint, shows its age in a couple spots. But it really just looks good. It's got a great color to it. It's kind of like a root beer when you step back. But like you see here, for example, a couple little spots there from age and from probably detailing it over the years. The interior is all new. Glass is excellent. Front bumpers are like new, so they've been maintaining a lot of things as you go. American racing wheels, those are in newer condition. But anyway, let's pop the hood here. Lift it up and show you the engine compartment. Like I said, numbers matching 307. It's been upgraded with a more mild cam, aluminum intake, Holley carb. Performs like a 350. I mean, it's not the dog 307 that it was back in the day, so that's really nice. Super smooth running. AC has been converted to the new Freon below's cold, which is also fantastic. Newer brake booster master cylinder for the power front disc brakes, and if you peer down there, you see the power steering. And it just looks nice and clean in here. You see the factory air components there. This all looks great. Inner fender wells, firewall. I always love to see it unmolested like that. Trim tag is in place. I believe it was green from the factory, and then went with the brown again. You don't see brown off it, probably because, it wasn't brown. But I like brown cars, up in the bottom. But we'll keep going here. Very nice mechanically, though, I will say that. Under hood, again, painted back 98. It looks great in that brown color. They didn't skimp on that. Moving on here. Now, this guy's going to interrupt me because nobody can tell him where the car is, which would be the only one outside. You see a couple little touch-ups on that door edge there. And then, unfortunately, I would say 1, 2, 3 little bubbles on that lower fender. Not bad for the age of the paint. Hold on. All right, carrying on. Straight body. Another great note about the car, though, being original sheet metal. Everything lines up. Super nice quarters are always commonly replaced on Chevelles. I'm not really sure why, just prone to it, I guess. Great fitment there. You see a couple other little marks here on door edge in and out over the years. Some light wear from, getting in and out, opening the handle there. Glass is excellent though. Trim all the way around, really nice. VIN is in place, of course. No cracks on the windshield. What is that? Oh, nice there. No bubbling in here. Another great note. Another thing I love about it, didn't molest the back deck there. It's got that original package tray style. So let's hop on in here, and just a note of how solid the car is and was. Look at this beautiful metal in the corner of the door there. Oftentimes, I mentioned it before, they get repaired, replaced, stuff like that. So we'll keep going up there, and you see that crisp metal all the way up. Again, like I said, new door panels, armrest, front and rear seat covers, headliner, right? Headliner looks to be more recent. I see one little hole right there, but the rest of it's very nice. It's got the correct steering wheel on there, new dash pad, carpet mats with the brown Chevelle. Actually, that looks kind of cool. Just to show you there, brown seat belts, again, kind of cool. Nice dash gauges, a little different AM/FM radio, kind of that factory correct with the digital. Nice paint over there. And I got the key for it. Yep. Let's just keep going. Show you the back seat. There you go. See how nice and clean it is down there. Clean in the back seat. Zoom out. Nice there as well. So the seats look great. Again, like I said, they show that little bit of width. What do I say? How recent they are by the cleanliness back there. That's how I wanted to put it. Little mark right there, and then again, just a few bubbles right in this section there. I mean, sometimes you just can't avoid it. But the nice thing is, no bubbles there. The lower quarters are mint, and the inner lower quarters, like down in this section, I took pictures of them. I can't post them all on the ad. They're super nice. Pieces that always sometimes don't line up are lined up nice. Trunk lid lines up nice as well. Again, here you go, another nice example. Dual exhaust, of course. Show you the back bumper here, which is pretty much about the same as the front. And let me go ahead and pop the trunk lid here. See, they're coming to pick up that blue car. Okay. Super nice under here. I always love seeing the jacking instructions. I always love seeing little stamps in there. And like nice metal in here and all the way around. It's got a spare jack. It has 350 badges on there. I have 307 badges if you wanted to make it correct. And I actually found this underneath the trunk mat. I don't really know what it goes to. But again, the original quarters, you can see the stamping there, but I've been all in here. I don't feel any overlap in the metal. I was even sticking my light and my nose in there. Weather stripping is really nice in here as well. You see another stamping there. Same deal here, all the way up. Always a great thing to see. Show you the trunk pan, or at least what I can of it, which just looks to have been repaired here, but this looks nice as far as I can tell. And so that's good though that the whole trunk pan is at least original, and not just, Chinese piece of metal cut and welded in. Those much over. What are they doing in that thing over there? Let's keep going here. Closes like it should. No bubbles down there. Again, what you want to see. Little mark right there. Less on this side, just that one bubble there. A little example like on that fender and the driver's side there. A lot of great things you could do with this car. Leave it the way it is and enjoy it, because why not? You could paint it brown. It would look cool. You could paint a different color. You could upgrade the car, because 69 Chevelles seem to be a little bit harder to come by. Fair, I should say, than they used to be. Again, nice fitment down there. A couple touch-ups there. I got actually touch-up paint for the car though, if need be. Again, excellent glass. Trim is nice. No bubbles on top. Getting a call from Code Red. Hop on in here. I know I mentioned it before. Beautiful metal on that inner door there, all the way up. It's the attention to detail that gets me sometimes, that I always love seeing. Will be up for sale on my website, nextgenclassiccars.com, and eBay. Both links will be in the video. This description will be in the description of this video. If you want to check it out, let us know. 69 Chevelle, finished in brown with black interior, which is new. 307, numbers matching. Factory air conditioning has been converted and works. Another great thing to see. Power steering, power front disc brakes. Missouri car. You see a larger touch-up right there on the car. Again, super nice fitment all the way down. A couple other touch-ups. Again, a little bit of bubbling and some cracking right there. Nothing going forward from there, and nothing going back on the rocker down there. That's always another nice thing to see. Again, like I said, their front disc, and actually that rotor looks to be more recent, which is good. And then a couple bubble, or one larger bubble right there, and a little crack. And that is all. We are at that point now where we are going to fire it up. I'll let you hear it run while I do that, and then drive it. So again, thank you for watching, and here we go. One thing I did not mention is that it's got new rear box control arms, new front lower control arms, new bushings all in the front end, new rear springs. We've driven home 40 some minutes, highway, 75 miles an hour like a dream. Really drives very, very nice. Anyway, back to what we're watching here.